In this problem, we are asked to identify the solutions, and we want to be careful, extraneous solutions. So, just so we're aware, what are extraneous solutions? We're going to look at the denominators. So, if x is equal to -2, it's an extraneous solution. If x is 0, here's another -2 and 0. So if we get final answers of 0 or -2, we know that they're extraneous solutions, which means we did all the math correct, but we cannot consider it as an actual solution. Okay, so for this problem, I'm going to start by finding a common denominator. So this needs an x. Parentheses. Whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So this is an x and an x plus 2. Here, this factors into x and x plus 2. And this has an x, but it's missing an x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 2, and x plus 2. Alright, so now I'm going to, because I'm working with an equation, I get to eliminate the denominator and now solve for the variable in the numerator. 3x plus 6 is equal to the quantity 3 minus x times x plus 2. I'm going to start by foiling this out. Front, outside, inside, last. And then I'm going to choose, I want to work with a negative x squared, so I'm going to move this to the opposite side. So I'm going to add 1x squared to the opposite side. Not necessarily which side you move it to, but I just prefer to work with a positive x squared. So I have 1x squared plus 3x plus 6. And on this side I have 3 terms left. Let's combine like terms. Positive 3x and negative 2x is 1x. Now I'm going to move this 1x over. So to move it over, I'm going to subtract it. And I'm going to move the 6 over by also subtracting it. Nothing's left on the right. On the left-hand side, I'm going to combine like terms. Positive 6 and negative 6 cancel. And I'm left with 1x squared plus 2x. How do I solve this? Well, both contain an x. So if I factor out an x, x times x is 1x squared, and x times positive 2 is 2x. Set both of these factors equal to 0 and solve. So x equals 0 is one answer. X plus 2 equals 0. So when you solve this, you end up with x equals -2 and x equals 0. I trust my algebra is correct, but remember, next you have to check to see are these extraneous solutions. And we already know 0 is an extraneous solution, as is -2, which means this is an extraneous solution. It cannot be considered as an actual solution, and this can't be a solution. So this particular problem has no solution.